Hello, Isaac here again from Aki's Garage. Welcome to another video. Today is for cloning another ECU. As you can see, guys, I got two ECU here. Those two ECU is for transit custom, and actual ECU is continental, and I think it's SID208. I try to use FC200. As you can see, guys, this is the actual ECU, and you just have boot option. If I go to the wiring diagram, you can see, guys, we need to take the ECU out, and we just need to go inside and try to boot. So I'm going to see if I can use OBDSTAR. Let me just turn it on. Yeah, this is the actual ECM. We just say enter. Alright, I just search here SID208, and this is the first one for the continental SID208. We just say pin out. So we can use P00 adapter and P003. So it's got option for boot and it's got option for bench. So I'm going to use bench. Yeah, this is the actual ECU, and this is the wiring diagram. So let's do the wiring diagram, and I'll be back. Alright, I done all the wiring pin out. As you can see, everything is nice connect to the OBDSTAR. So let's just point my camera again here. So speaker is back, and then you just say start. Yeah, okay. Alright, we're gonna turn the ignition on. Just leave my camera back to here. We just say connect. So we're switching off the ignition. We just say okay, and now we're gonna switch on the ignition back. Okay. That's perfect. So it's already connected. So we're gonna read the apron. Okay, we're gonna save this one. Just say org. Okay. Now we're gonna read the flash. Alright, so now we're gonna save the flash data. We just save as org. Just say okay. So now we're gonna disconnect. We just say yes. So we switching off the ignition, and then we say okay. So now everything disconnect. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm going to try to disconnect the wiring pin out from the original ECU, and then I connect the donor ECU back to the wiring pin out, and then we can write everything back to the donor ECU. Okay, that's the original ECU, so we don't need this one anymore, so we leave it here. So now we go back to the OBDSTAR. And here just on. So yeah, so we're gonna say connect. So ignition is off. We just say okay. Now we're gonna switch on the ignition. We just say okay. Now it's communicating with the ECU. And perfect, everything is connected. So from here we don't need to read anything from donor ECU. We don't need it, so we're gonna go straight to write interior EEPROM. We just load it from here. Okay, and then we're gonna find the, and now we're gonna find interior EEPROM. So yeah, this is the one. Yeah, that's the one. That's the interior EEPROM. We're just gonna click that one and just we say okay. We just say okay. We just say yes. Now it's writing. Alright, write successfully. So now we're gonna write the interior flash. We just load the data again. Now we're gonna look for the flash. Yeah, this is the one. That's the interior flash. We just say okay. Just say okay. Just say no. Now it's gonna write in all the flash data back to the donor ECU. Alright, that's all good. Write successfully. We just disconnect. We just say okay. So we just turn the ignition off. Just say okay. So everything is off. So now we can disconnect those wire, and that's it, guys. That's how you clone the what you call the ECU on Ford Transit Custom. And yeah, just plug and play. You don't need to do any coding, programming, nothing. Just plug and play. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope there is some information for someone, and like always, thank you very much for watching.